Welcome back to Food for Thought. Let's see what's on the menu for today. Oh, we can't draw it. Perry, hey Perry, what does this mean? Ooh, it's Khao Soi. Today we're taking a culinary journey to northern Thailand, Chiang Mai, where Khao Soi, a rich and spicy noodle soup, reigns supreme. If you've never heard of it or tried it, don't worry. You're about to get a full scoop on its fascinating history. Ready to slurp up some knowledge? Grab a fork and a spoon, and let's dive into the history of Khao Soi. Khao Soi's story begins in ancient trade routes of Southeast Asia. It's more than just a soup. It's a culinary representation of the blending of cultures that took place along these Silk Roads. The name Khao Soi directly translates to the words cut rice, which refers to the flat, wide noodles used in its original form, but the dish is far from simple. Let's travel back in time to the early days of the region's spice trade. Muslim Chinese merchants, called Hui, passed through what is now northern Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar, introducing their cooking methods and ingredients. They brought with them the art of making hand-pulled noodles and the use of spices. The combination of these influences laid the foundation for what would eventually become Khao Soi. But what sets Khao Soi apart from other noodle soups? Well, it's all about that luscious coconut-based curry broth. This part of the dish was influenced by Thai cuisine, which is famous for its creamy coconut-rich curries. The coconut softens the spices and adds a luxurious texture to the broth, making it comforting and flavorful all at once. This is where the regional diversity comes in. Depending on whether you're from northern Thailand, Laos, or Myanmar, you'll find variations of Khao Soi. In northern Thailand, Khao Soi is traditionally made with chicken or beef, but in Laos, it's often lighter without the addition of coconut milk. In Myanmar, it's made with more of a tangy, fermented elements in the soup. You could say that Khao Soi is a dish that refuses to be pinned down to just one identity. The dish also carries cultural significance beyond its ingredients. In northern Thailand, Khao Soi is a street food staple. Served in a small roadside stalls, it's often eaten for lunch or as a late afternoon meal, providing warmth and sustenance. Historically, it was a meal for travelers, quick and easy, a filling dish that could be eaten on the go. Just like it was for the traders who first brought the ingredients to the region. The modern-day version of Khao Soi that most of us know and love today features boiled egg noodles at the base, topped with tender chunks of stewed chicken or beef. The entire bowl is then drowned in that creamy spice broth and finished with crispy fried noodles on top. And don't forget the condiments. Pickled mustard greens, chopped shallots, lime wedges, and a dollop of chili oil are a must-have to enhance the flavor. Every spoonful is perfectly balanced of rich, savory, spicy, and tangy. In recent years, Khao Soi has spread far beyond its humble origins. It's now found in restaurants and street markets all over the world. From Bangkok to New York City, chefs love it for its bold flavors and adaptability. You can easily swap out the chicken for tofu or add extra vegetables for a plant-based version. But no matter where you eat it or how it's made, the essence of Khao Soi remains the same. The dish is born from a fusion of cultures and flavors. And here's a fun fact. Khao Soi is often compared to other coconut-based noodle soups, like Malaysia's laksa or Indonesia's soto ayam. However, the northern Thai version has a unique spice blend and that irresistible crispy noodle topping that sets it apart from its counterparts. Now that you've learned about the history of Khao Soi, I'm curious, how do you like yours? Do you prefer spicy with extra chili oil, or maybe more lime to add a tangy kick? Or are you a fan of the classic crispy noodles on top? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this journey through food history, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. After all, here at Food for Thought, we believe every dish has a story, and it's always best served with a side of flavor. And if you like this video, don't forget to check out our episode playlist. You know, Food for Thought.